Okay, we're finished now. There's the patio doors in. So your windows out, door in, that door's out, and a new window with your security grille. All done. I've done all the tiles at the bottom here. I replaced them all. If you remember that there was a white tile all the way along here, a tiny one. It looked terrible, so I decided to break them out and we put a complete new step in. So it's all done now, and it's all been sealed everywhere. Yeah, very happy with that there. And then inside here, yeah, finished, done. And then obviously we've got the internal parts done as well. We're ready now to start putting the toilet in and starting to get the paintwork in. Yeah, very happy.